What are the principal sleep disorders that are associated with Alzheimer's disease?
First, I would say obstructive sleep apnea. We have mentioned this quite a few times, but I want to go over it again. It is associated with a 12-fold increase in Alzheimer's disease. The characteristics are, once again, snoring, second, age 50 or over, and third, being overweight or obese. If you are all three, you have the disease until proven otherwise. Other symptoms that you may have with obstructive sleep apnea are early morning headaches, sleepiness during the day, waking up feeling as tired as when you went to sleep. Fourth, real changes in your mentation, and that is, you just can't seem to make decisions. You can't remember things that normally would come to mind in a second. I remember myself. I, by the way, have sleep apnea. The way I found out it was not because I knew I was snoring. In fact, my wife had mentioned that, but I never gave it any credence. Until one day, my secretary came up with my dictation, and on it, it said, "Doctor, you fell asleep while dictating." I wasn't even aware that I had fallen asleep while I was dictating. So, believe me, if I, a physician, cannot see it coming, then you may not see it coming just the same.